Alrighty, just pulled up to Harley. Ready to go see the bike? Go see the motorcycle? Let's see if we can check out this twin. Yeah, I see it here. You see all the motorcycles? You see the motorcycles? Woo, they got a whole fleet back here. Look at this thing. Ooh. Yes, sir. We are, we are here, guys, at the Dyno, live in effect. That's crazy. Man, you don't know how long I've been waiting to see this, dog. That thing is sick. Yo, what's up, man? How you doing?
This bike has ported heads and a ported manifold too.
Ported heads and manifold?
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's a 64mm screaming with throttle body, the manifold, the CNC ported one.
Right. Oh, dang. So it's some serious stuff done to this bike.
It'll be 140 horsepower when it's done.
Yeah? Oh, wow. That's nuts, man. I can't wait to fucking try this out. Oh my God. 140 horses.
Yeah, it had a stock ECM.
Oh, yeah?
Stock calibration in there. So
oh, wow.
It took a while to figure out what works for this motor.
Right.
But it's stuck in highway. The baby on
Yeah. No, you're good. You ready?
The sound of all of it and
say vroom vroom. Yeah, I like that. That thing sounds good. I see it right here on the dyno, man. Getting in tune. My guy Hero up here at Harley getting ready for me, man. He said it's gonna be some serious work. I can't wait, man. That's dope as heck. For sure, man. I appreciate it. Good looking out, man. Yeah, I can't wait. I fucking can't wait, dog. Well, I don't want to get in your way, man. I'll let you keep working. I just wanted to get some quick little shots.
All right.
Good looking, bro. Thank you. Yep. All right, see you. Alrighty, guys, man. I am excited, dog. That thing, it's got CNC ported heads, a 64mm throttle body. Dude said it's gonna be pushing about 140 horses. Oh my God. Hey, man, Kenneth, I don't know if you ready, brother. I don't know if you ready, my dog.